Whatever role your bedroom has to fill, it's an important part of your life. So it makes sense to design it and choose the right furniture according to your unique needs, and then add finishing touches to make it feel like home. And here is 12 IKEA small bedroom ideas. 1. Beautiful storage completes the bedroom look. Bring in nature into your home with the help of different bamboo furniture that gives your bedroom a warm and welcoming atmosphere while offering lots of storage opportunities for your clothes, books, work, and hobbies. 2. A colorful and flexible room for someone who's often on the move. A sublet apartment often comes with strict rules, but it can be furnished to look like anything except strict. Nick adds a joyful pop of color. A living room during the day, a bedroom during the night. 3. There's always room for a beautiful bedroom in a living room. It might sound impossible, but we beg to differ. Here's how to create a private, functional, and good-looking bedroom in a one-bedroom apartment. Use Platza bed frame as a room divider. 4. A small home where vertical storage matters. Make use of your walls when the storage opportunities are few. This helps to create an uncluttered and stylish look in a small home. And with Vitval Loft Bed, you free up even more precious floor space. 5. A bedroom that truly creates natural material cravings. Warmth, a stylish expression, a welcoming atmosphere, and a more sustainable choice, choosing furniture in natural materials has many benefits. 6. Dream big in this affordable bedroom. Clean lines, stylish details, and cool gray shades. Here's how to create an urban chic bedroom where lots of love and space is dedicated to your thought-out wardrobe. 7. Crispy, clean, and relaxing hues of green. A color-coordinated bedroom with a relaxing atmosphere can offer more than a cozy place to sleep and recharge. It can also be an inspiring workplace where you can forget about the world outside for a while and focus to the fullest. 8. Crispy, clean, and relaxing hues of green. A big bed frame in a small bedroom. Here's how to create a relaxing, yet fashionable, feel with lots of practical storage solutions. 9. A stylish bedroom from all angles. Solid wood with rustic charm, it's the perfect bed frame if you want to create a homely atmosphere in your bedroom. Pair it with soft sheets, sheer curtains, and an open wardrobe solution to create a comfortable place to sleep just the way you like it. 10. Tasteful, stylish, and storage-friendly, this bedroom has it all. Combine an open closet, smart storage, trendy fabrics, and brass-colored details to achieve a coordinated bedroom with a fashionable twist. 11. 24-hour living in a small studio. Here's a less conventional way to store all your clothes and organize your living space in a one-bedroom apartment. An open wardrobe, rollable trolleys, and flexible beds. 12. The multitasking bedroom with a personalized touch. A creative corner, a walk-in closet, and a breakfast area. Discover how a bedroom can be so much more than only a bedroom and feel so calm and relaxing at the same time.